थोड़ा पीछे आ जाएगा चलेगा बाबू, कोई भी जाएगा चलेगा। अरे धक्का ना दो भाई।
सर लुकिए सर।
सर राइट में।
सामने यहाँ पे लुक
जॉन सर यहाँ पर, जॉन सर।
कौन सा राइट राइट?
राइट 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 राइट
जॉन सर यहाँ पर।
जॉन राइट जॉन भाई राइट में थोड़ा थोड़ा मास्क डिस्टेंसिंग में सर।
अरे हासिल थोड़ी पीछे ले, कैमरा से।
इधर राइट में
जॉन सर यहाँ पर। जॉन सर।
थैंक यू भाई आपका
सोलो।
जॉन भाई इधर देखो।
सर राइट राइट। जॉन भाई लेफ्ट में।
जॉन भाई
राइट है राइट। उनके लेफ्ट में। बस बस सर
बस लुक सेंटर इमरान सर लुक सेंटर इमी सर राइट साइड में इमी सर इमरान सर सर सामने थोड़ा नीचे भी सर। इमरान भाई यहाँ पे सेंटर
सर यहाँ पे आपके राइट में।
इमरान भाई सेंटर
थैंक यू।
सर आइए
जॉन सर
इमरान सर राइट
अरे अरे क्या कर रहा है? पीछे सर सामने।
सर इस तरफ भी सर।
सर
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press. Thank you so much for coming here. This is a big occasion. Almost after a year, we're doing an event for the trailer launch of one of the most epic sagas to hit the silver screen in a long, long time, Mumbai Saga. I'd like to thank all of you for turning up. Just a request, let's maintain protocol, let's maintain social distancing, sit on alternate seats and sanitize yourself as much as you can. दोस्तों, करीब एक साल जद्दोजहद करने के बाद अब मुंबई सागा फाइनली 19 मार्च 2021 को थिएटर्स में आने वाली है। हाँ, एक बार जोरदार तालियां पूरी टीम के लिए। हमारे देश में आज बहुत सारे माध्यम हैं सिनेमा देखने के लिए, लेकिन द मैजिक ऑफ अ थिएटर, the magic of the experience of watching a cinema can never be replaced. So I'm very happy to be bringing Mumbai Saga to you shortly. लेकिन उससे पहले थोड़ा धमाल करना पड़ेगा। संजय गुप्ता की फिल्मों में एक्शन होता है लेकिन गाने बड़े अच्छे होते हैं। तो इससे पहले कि हम आपको ट्रेलर दिखाएं, let's take a look at the man who's full of swag, the yo-yo with शोर मचेगा. Let's take a look. Woo! Slides, please. So, what did you guys think of the trailer? Chakas! Okay, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's have I'd like to invite the star cast on stage, starting with the man who wants to rule Mumbai, and he ruled Mumbai with a lot of elan. Please put your hands together for the one and only John Abraham. आप लोगों ने जॉन को कई सारी फिल्मों में देखा होगा। मैं आपको लिख के दे सकता हूँ कि इस फिल्म में जो उन्होंने काम किया है वैसा काम आपने शायद पहले नहीं देखा होगा। और उनको टक्कर देते हुए एक और कमाल के कलाकार जिन्होंने बार बार अलग अलग रोल किए हैं, और मैं इनके बारे में भी कह सकता हूँ कि ऐसा रोल उन्होंने आज से पहले नहीं किया। प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर द वन एंड ओनली इमरान हाशमी। इससे पहले कि मैं अन्य कलाकारों को यहाँ बुलाऊं, I'd like to invite on stage my friend, my brother, the man behind all the action that you see, somebody who I've always called a maverick, the captain of our ship, Sanjay Gupta. बहुत सारे सवाल आपके मन में होंगे इन लोगों के लिए. Let's invite on stage the visionary, the man behind not only this one but so many blockbusters in the past and many more in the future. Put your hands together for Bhushan Kumar, ladies and gentlemen. We have to have the rest of the cast, which was extremely instrumental in the film coming together, starting with age. Let me call upon the senior most member of the cast, Sameer Soni, the very handsome and able Sameer Soni. And Anjana Sukhani, ladies and gentlemen. And the man himself, Gulshan Grover. और इस फिल्म में एक नए कलाकार को जन्म दिया है और उनके लिए बहुत बहुत तालियां आप लोग बजाएं. विद बेस्ट विशेस, विवान पराशर. Before I throw it open for questions from the media and guests, we have to call, after we've called the two pillars, we have to call the two pillars behind these pillars. Please invite on stage Sangeeta Ahir, Anu. Come on, Anu, you have to. Sangeeta Ahir, our producer. Anu, our overall producer.
I think Rohit.
Gupta sir. Sir.
Rohit, here. I think since we've called Rohit Roy, I'm here. Since you've called the senior most, I want to introduce to all of you the youngest entrant in this film, my dear brother, Rohit Roy.
मैंने भी एक छोटा सा रोल किया है फिल्म में, आपने शायद नोटिस किया होगा. चलिए, so before we start, I'd like Sanjay Gupta to say a few words and take it over from here. Would you like to sit down, guys?
Yeah, why don't you sit?
Huh?
I think, first of all, thank you everybody for coming. We're really looking forward to this. We worked hard on this film as we do on all films, but this makes it special because of what we all, I think the whole civilization has gone through in the last 1 year. I just want to thank my producer, Bhushan, and Sangeeta Bhabhi, as I lovingly call her. I mean, they were the first ones to back my vision. And of course, my wife was always there. My default. And it literally, the film kind of just came together with one phone call that I got from John, and I think he was in London. And that's it, and that's what started this whole journey. And it was, I think, a 10-minute meeting with Imi, where we kind of, in that sense, we're all very old school.
It only took a long time for him to convince me to be part of the film.
Yeah.
Really, really long.
Yeah, that's it.
So any questions from the media, we can address it individually to the actors or to Bhushan ji. Bhushan ji, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इससे पहले कि we throw it open? Sir, few words of your vision.
The vision is, hello. See, we are very excited कि film is coming in theatre क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से हम लोगों ने थिएटर एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है और आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एज द प्रोड्यूसर एंड प्रोडक्शन हाउस कि हमारी फिल्में अब थिएटर में आ रही हैं. सो वी नीड ऑल योर ब्लेसिंग्स एंड सपोर्ट ऑफ द मीडिया फॉर द फिल्म बिकॉज दिस वाज अ हार्ड स्टेप बिकॉज वी वर कंफ्यूज्ड कि अभी हम थिएटर में आए या नहीं आए. बट जॉन, इमी, एवरीबडी वांटेड आफ्टर सीइंग द फिल्म कि ये फिल्म थिएटर में आनी चाहिए. So we are very, very excited to come back to the theatres and all the best to all of us.
Thank you.
I think we're also very, very lucky to have a producer this gutsy who took the call. I know what is behind this. I know the kind of risk he has taken, and we are all praying that definitely for the film, but more for him, it should pay off.
इंशाल्लाह बिल्कुल होगा. Questions from the press. John, Amy, why don't you guys sit down? It'll be easier, no? Yeah?
जॉन
Okay.
एंड इमरान, आपके लेफ्ट में जैसा कि भूषण जी ने बताया कि एंड अब हम देख भी रहे हैं कि पिछले 1 सालों से तकरीबन सिनेमा घरों में
एक तरह से कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा इंडस्ट्री में. तो आप लोगों की मदद चाहिए इसमें, एंड मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोग टिकट खरीद के फिल्म देखें, बिकॉज इट्स आई थिंक इट्स अ वाटरशेड इवेंट यार. पैंडेमिक के बाद एक फिल्म आ रही है, टिकट जाके खरीदो, जाओ फिल्म देखो. यू मिस दिस फॉर एन एंटायर ईयर. और आई थिंक इट्स everyone's blood, sweat and tears, और जो पूरा everyone has worked so hard and it's going to bear fruit in the 19th of March. So yeah.
जॉन, सिनेमा घरों में शोर मचे, इसकी जिम्मेदारी है आपके ऊपर, सो आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू.
मेरे ऊपर.
No, I think, yeah, absolutely, like what Imran said, first of all, congratulations and thank you to Bhushan Kumar for really taking the step. We know what a big risk it is, लेकिन we're also very optimistic कि people will come. जैसे आपने टेस्ट मैच भी देखा, लोग आए थे वहाँ पे in the stadium, so we're hoping people come. Of course, protocol maintain करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, but I feel people will come and watch a film like this. और जैसे संजय का, इमरान ने भी कहा, this is a big screen experience. Every film can't release on OTT. Okay, platforms के लिए मेरा बहुत respect है. I respect them a lot. But there are certain films जो एक large screen पे आप देख सकते हो. And I think एक संजय गुप्ता film, संजय गुप्ता films are films that you have to watch on big screen. So thankfully we are coming in the theatre.
हाय हाय, उमेश शुक्ला, न्यूज़ 24 से. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुंबई सागा की पूरी टीम को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. काफ़ी धमाकेदार ट्रेलर आया है और 1 साल बाद हम भी थिएटर में आप लोग से फिर मुलाकात कर रहे हैं. संजय सर, आपसे सवाल है, जैसा कि आपने पहले ही जिक्र किया कि ये बहुत बड़ा रिस्क है, तो किस तरह के मतलब चैलेंजेस को फेस करने के लिए क्या कुछ आपकी प्रिपरेशन है? दूसरी तरफ कहीं ना कहीं और पोस्टपोन किया जा सकता था फिल्म को, क्योंकि काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी और भी फिल्में हैं जो अब तक रिलीज़ होने की उनकी कहा जाए रिलीज़ डेट अनाउंस नहीं हुई, जो कि काफ़ी पहले हो सकती थी. तो आपने कई बार ये ख्याल आया जहन में कि और पोस्टपोन किया जा सकता है फिल्म को रिलीज से?
नहीं, एक्चुअली देखिए, किसी को तो शुरुआत करनी होगी. somebody has to take the first step, and since my producer was willing to do it and he said nahi, we are confident of the film, and I think we are more confident of our audience, which hasn't really had a release. I mean, they haven't had a release in over a year, and like we're all saying it's a big screen experience, and we have spoken to all the major distributors, exhibitors, taken their opinions, और उन्होंने भी आगे पूरी तैयारियां की हुई है, प्रोटोकॉल्स फॉलो किए हुए हैं, जैसे अब यहाँ भी देख रहे हैं. सो वो कॉन्फिडेंस तो है, एंड nowhere have we heard that any theater is a hotbed. So that is not the case. People are coming into malls, into stadiums. So why not theaters?
Even South.
And the South has started. The theaters over there are full. People are coming. They're maintaining protocol, and we have to come back to normalcy.
Exactly. John here. John. जैसा कि आप जब आते हैं स्क्रीन पे एक दहाड़ होती है, कहा जाए अभी हम जब ट्रेलर देख रहे थे हमें मन्या सुरवे की याद आ रही थी. कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सिमिलर हमें नज़र आ रहा था कि कहीं ना कहीं वही टीका, वही दहाड़. आप पर्सनली कितना डिफरेंस देखते हैं दोनों कैरेक्टर्स में?
नहीं, इसमें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट भी है. इमरान का जो कैरेक्टर है उसके साथ बहुत बड़ा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है. आई थिंक दैट्स द फिल्म. लेकिन एक गैंगस्टर फिल्म है और जो रियल लाइफ में हुआ था वही हम लोग डिपिक्ट कर रहे हैं.
हेलो, मेरा कहना है, प्लीज गो अहेड.
My question is to all the filmmakers on this stage today. After the whole COVID situation and now that films have started coming in the theaters, is there going to be a change in the way films were promoted? Films, the whole the way there was competition and clash and all. Even your film is clashing with another film. Do you think there will be more understanding between filmmakers, and there will be some kind of mutual pushing each other to bring their film out in a better way?
May I answer this, please? I'd like to answer this, please. Yes.
First of all, for almost about a year, watching films at home on OTT, watching various other content from across the world on OTT, has had its advantages and also has given this unanimous feeling, oh, we want to get out there and we want to have the real experience of watching a film. So really hats off to Bhushan Kumar, Sanjay Gupta, John Abraham, Imran Hashmi, all of them who have a larger stake in releasing this film in March at a 50% capacity. The producers of the film, two ladies, and everyone. So these, like very gutsy, courageous filmmakers, entertainers have taken this step to release the film and show everyone, first of all, that we care for the audiences, like accepting a 50% capacity for a financier, for a producer, for a hero, for everybody, is a very, very, very big step because the numbers are going to be counted. But we want to make sure that people are healthy, people are enjoying the film, number one. And with OTT, we all have respect for OTT. OTT is here to stay. It's going to be an integral part of our life. But when you release a film, there's no festivity. There's no celebration. There's no noise. There's no getting together of people. There is nothing like this that you get called and you say, "Arey yaar, maine teri picture dekhi. Arey, what fantastic. Kya trailer hai, kya maza hai." That festivity was missing. Publicity was missing. The excitement was missing. So therefore, all that will come back. And the competition amongst producers, there's no competition at the moment. They are all wanting to get to the theater somehow or the other. People will make way for others. People will celebrate the success of other producers. Like I would say, Bhushan Kumar, Sanjay Gupta, John Abraham, Imran Hashmi, these people have larger stake. They will literally be called the pioneers of bringing cinema back to the screen. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Guruji.
Your perspective to this answer also, because you are the ones who are releasing this film. So, John, Bhushan ji, if you could.
Sorry?
So my question was that is the whole the trend, the way we promote our films and all, is it going to change? Because there are going to be clashes, there is going to be a lot of competitiveness also. But is there a lesson that we've learned from the pandemic that here we need to hold each other's hands and encourage each other in this way, a production house with other, when it comes to releasing a film? So
See, I guess that thing happens always. Means if a film is coming on a same date of another banner, there is a business cut. But at this point of time, people are taking this in a very positive way. Even other producers who are releasing the film, and even the theatre owners, because they want to give more variety to the audiences, for them to get excited to come back to theatre. So this thing now is like when I was speaking to the theatre owners, they were saying कि अभी जितनी फिल्में एक डेट पे आ सकती हैं आनी चाहिए, so that more and more people can come to the theatres. So I think everybody is holding hands and going forward, whether it's exhibitors or other producers of the industry. So this thing definitely, what you are trying to ask, means the new normal is that this only we have to hold hands and go together.
Bhushan sir, one more question over here.
Yeah.
So, over the last 1 year, a lot of single screens have shut down, and, there has been a definite reduction in screen count as well. So, what sort of release plans can we expect this time around for Mumbai Saga, considering the screen count has gone down?
See, the way the time is passing, the screens are opening up. The way we have announced, like I have announced 3 days back, for the whole year, we have announced 8 to 9 films of T-Series releasing this year. So that is giving confidence. Yash Raj has announced their slate of films. Dharma Production is announcing their slate of films. So all these things are giving confidence to all these single screen which are opening up as we are talking. So we definitely hope by the time our release date is coming, more and more screens will be opened and we will come in a maximum number of screens.
Is there any number you have?
See, right now it's very difficult to commit any number. Means yesterday John was also asking me what are the screen count number. But we are definitely working on it. Every day it's happening. More than us, theatre owners want their screen to be open and to be working. So let's hope for the best. We will get maximum number of screens soon.
And one more question I have for John. John, over the last, you have established yourself as an action star. How easy or difficult is it for you to differentiate in terms of action with every passing film?
Yeah, it's tough because I feel my bones are breaking. But yeah, I'm trying to do different action in different films. Like this has got very raw action. It's got a conflict with Imran's character. Then Attack, which is another film, has got very different futuristic action. So yeah, it's difficult, but I enjoy that space. It's like for some actors, they love dancing. For me, action is my dance, you know. So I enjoy that space. It's like an item song for me.
मेरा सवाल संजय जी से संजय सर आपको आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है उतना काफ़ी है मेरे लिए संजय जी कास्टिंग प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट और जो दिग्गज हमारे रूबरू हैं जॉन डजंट नीड एनी इंट्रोडक्शन इमरान को भी किसी तारुफ की ज़रूरत नहीं कास्टिंग किस बिना पे की और जॉन मुझे आपसे भी पूछना है कि वो जो 10 मिनट आपने इमरान ने बात करी वो क्या बात करी यू कॉल्ड अप फ्रॉम लंडन टू संजय एंड दिस इज योर प्लान मुंबई सागा दिस इज व्हाट संजय सेड
10 मिनट बात हुई थी टाइम ड्यूरेशन पता नहीं है
No, that was a
आई थिंक बहुत सारे कॉन्वर्सेशंस चालू थे लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर हम सब बहुत ही एंग्शियस थे कि इस फिल्म को किस किस्म की रिलीज़ मिलेगी ये एक यूनानिमस वोट था सब लोगों का कि ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि ये एक बिग स्क्रीन एक्सपीरियंस है कि ये छोटे स्क्रीन पर रिलीज़ ना हो पहले ऐसा नहीं है कि इसका मज़ा टेलीविजन पे नहीं आ सकता है द नैरेटिव इज़ फैंटास्टिक बट it's a quintessential Sanjay Gupta film. I mean, it's a big screen experience, the visuals, sound, narrative, larger than life characters. It just, you know, lends itself more to this screen.
And I think you were asking about the casting.
Yes.
I was a little confused about that. No, so the casting of actually any of my films is really, really simple. I work with friends. So everybody over here is very, very close friends of mine. And yes, I'm totally biased to them. And I just say, boss, we're making a film. And yeah, just you know. And in Amy, I've made a new friend with this film also. I can very proudly say that, you know, I have somebody for life. So yeah, that's it. You know, and John is a brother. I mean, we've worked in the past, we work in the future. And yeah, it's casting for me is a level of comfort.
Hello guys, Shravan here from Miss Manni. The trailer looks fab, and Sanjay sir, I want to ask you this: that it took you 8 years to come back to the gangster genre. What is the kind of preparation that goes into making a gangster genre, and are you ever skeptical to make a gangster genre again?
No, I'm not. I'm not at all. And nothing really goes into it. I mean, it's the challenge each time is how will I do it differently this time. That's the only challenge. I mean, how are my heroes going to look, and what is the pace of the film? What's the narrative style of the film? What will be the visual dimensions of the film, the sound design? I mean, that is something that's a challenge that one keeps throwing at yourself every time, and then you know you cross that bridge when you get to it.
Bhushan sir, on OTT, will there be a lesser time limit since it's releasing in theaters because that has been the trend, like it happened in case of Master? So when are you planning to come on OTT?
See, that is all depend on theaters and all. We are still talking to them. We'll see how it goes in theaters and all, and then only we'll take a call. It means what will be it should be a shorter window or whatever it is. We have not decided yet.
Imran and John, what is it about the gangster drama space that you guys go back? You know, what is it about the space that lures you so much as actors?
I'm doing one after very long. I mean, so much so, I mean, when Gupta came and met me in my van, I had pre-decided before the narration started that he's come to offer me a gangster's role. I don't know why. And I was very pleasantly surprised when he said, you're playing the cop. But again, then there was a fear after that. I was very anxious कि ये एक righteous cop नहीं निकले. He doesn't turn out to be a very unidimensional, you know, straight-jacketed cop. But then Gupta said, ये cop भी गुंडे से कम नहीं है. So then I realized that, okay, now I have something to chew on in this film because I've never really ever seen characters as, you know, white hat and black hat. You know, all these characters live in a certain gray world, which I find to be very relatable. And the making of this film, although they're two very different films, just took me back to Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. Just the feel, just the way we were shooting it, ultimately how the film has been mounted. all of that reminded me of that. And it's very difficult to kind of constantly surprise people in a genre, and especially a gangster genre. And that's what Sanjay was saying, that you want to surprise the audience. And I didn't pick up any script before this because those scripts were not surprising the audience. They all were like a copy of something I'd already done. But this is something that's unique in its style and its narrative.
It's like I told him, he's a gangster in uniform.
अंजना जी आप अगर थोड़ा सा बता सके
John, your answer on that?
No, I see. You must do films that relate to a mass audience and a universal audience, and not just a few people probably sitting in one fancy theater. And I think this film reaches out to the masses. And I saw what Maniya Surve did for me, and I'm sure for Sanjay also. So I think this has got a lot of relatability with a very large section of an audience, especially I wouldn't say multiplex or single screen, but yes, the mass audiences, when you go into the interiors of India, they really remember these characters. They're memorable. Imran's character is memorable. In fact, everybody on this podium out here has a fantastic character in the film that's memorable. So I think when you make films, make it for the people. We try and cater to a very small audience. We get scared of criticism only on the net. I think the biggest cuss word today in my life, at least, is I'm scared to trend. If I trend, I know I'm a joke. So I want to stay away from this trend business. And I really want to reach out to the masses. And I think Mumbai Saga is giving us an opportunity to actually go out back into the masses, where we belong to. And people like me, my career was made in screens. So why can't I reach out to them? So why can't I go back to them? I'd rather go back to them, and I'd rather be catered to by these audiences. So that's exactly what Mumbai Saga does. And I enjoy playing gangster with Sanjay Gupta. It's like on autopilot. He stands in front of me and he looks at me, John. I'm like, okay, let's go. So that's it,
अंजना जी अगर आप कुछ बता सके कैसा रहा एसोसिएशन विद मुंबई सागा के साथ में, एंड जो आपका डायलॉग है बहुत ही ऐसे एनर्जेटिक है, अगर आप हमें सुना सके फ्यू लाइन्स.
हाँ, अगर 10 करोड़ किसी को भी मिले बहुत एनर्जेटिक होगा. बट जैसे संजय सर ने पहले ही कहा कि वो फ्रेंड्स के साथ ही काम करते हैं मोस्टली, सो आई थिंक इट वाज जस्ट अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल एटमॉस्फेयर टू बी इन. एंड आई थिंक जो ट्रेलर आपने देखा वो तो सब बयान करता ही है कि फिल्म क्या है, गैंगस्टर्स है. हम लड़कियों का कुछ काम ज़्यादा कभी रखते नहीं है संजय सर, अनफॉर्चुनेटली. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द बॉयज़ बीटिंग अप ईच अदर. बट या इट्स बीन अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक फिल्म to be part of with such a great star cast. And again, like I said, the boys beating each other, because I think boys only like that. Punching and kicking. But it's been a fabulous experience, and I'm just glad to be sharing this space with everyone. Thank you.
Rohit ji, what about you?
Yeah. Well, like Gupta says, I'm the compulsory blind in all his films. I've always had a great time working with him. He's given me, like John said, memorable roles, whether it's Shootout at Lokhandwala or Kabil, or a very different role in this film, which I'm sure will impact you in a way that you don't know. So yeah, I love working with him. Yeah. There's no question about it. We've been great friends for over 15, 16 years now. And it's comfortable. I obviously want to be part of a Sanjay Gupta film. There's one co-actor who's not here, Shad Randhawa. He did the film only because he wanted to walk in slow motion in Sanjay Gupta's film. He didn't want to hear the role. He didn't want to know what, sir, मेरा slow motion कांटे का walk होगा कि नहीं? And the day that was shot, he said, मेरी life settle हो गई. मेरे को उतना छोटा नहीं चाहिए. मुझे मेरी ख्वाहिशें ज़्यादा हैं. Thank you.
संगीता जी, आप भी प्रोड्यूसर हैं इस फिल्म की, अगर आप बता सके कि कैसा रहा एसोसिएशन विद भूषण जी के साथ में. एंड कुछ डिबेट भी होती है कि नहीं यहाँ पर पैसा ज़्यादा लगाना चाहिए, यहाँ थोड़ा कम, ऐसी कुछ बातें होती है.
सबसे पहले मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ संजय जी से, भूषण जी से, जॉन, इमरान. मुझे लगता है इतने बड़े समंदर में एक बूंद बूंद जैसे बन के आने का मौका मिल गया. और आज सिर्फ हम ट्रेलर लॉन्च नहीं, लेकिन लोगों का उत्साह बढ़ाने आए हैं, लोगों का साथ दें. हम सब जाके हमारे फैमिली के साथ ये मूवी देखेंगे, हमारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ देखेंगे. बहुत वक्त तक लोग घर में बैठे हैं. मैं आह्वान करूँगी लोगों को कि अपने 4 दरवाजे के सीमित मत रहिए, जाइए सिनेमा देखिए. मुझे लगता है कि सभी भारतीय जो प्रेक्षक है उनका जो बोलेंगे ना, आपका कास्ट कौन सा है, बोलेंगे सिनेमा. तो फिर हम एक साथ आए हैं, इसको सेलिब्रेट करेंगे और सेफ्टी रखिए। प्रोटोकॉल तो भूषण जी और सभी लोग, जॉन जी है, सभी ने सब सोच के इसके बारे में डिस्कस करके जो प्रोटोकॉल है उसको मायने में रख के इसको रिलीज़ करने का एक ध्यास लिया है। आप सभी सहकार्य करिए, आप सभी आइए और इस सिनेमा को जितना आप सक्सेसफुल बनाएंगे उतना ही ये जो कोविड है इसको हम टाटा बाय बाय करने की एक हिम्मत जुड़ा पाएंगे। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Taking one last question, please. Anybody?
संजय सर, इमरान एंड जॉन के लिए क्वेश्चन। जैसे कि अभी जिक्र किया हमने OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स का, खैर ये फिल्म है, फिर भी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स को लेकर बीते दिन एक कई गाइडलाइंस आई है, कहा जाए दिशा निर्देश आए गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कि कितना लिमिटेड रखा जाए, और इसके पहले इसी बात को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता था, एक्टर्स खुलकर काम कर पाते थे OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर। तो बीइंग अ फिल्म मेकर क्या कुछ आप कहना चाहते हैं कि क्या आपका क्या व्यू है इस पर, आप पर, और इमरान आप भी?
I really don't know what about the OTT?
No, I'll answer that. See,
जी,
mic is not on.
On.
Hello? Yeah. No, so as far as, very frankly, as far as we are concerned, as I am concerned, it doesn't make any difference to me because I make my films for the theaters. We are not creating content for film, not content but films for OTT. So, और अभी भी हम जो हमारी फिल्में बना रहे हैं तो हमारी अपनी गाइडलाइंस हैं, हमारा सेंसर बोर्ड है, and we respect that and we abide by that. अभी whether that material over there gets censored, not censored, I think concerns people who create content for them.
इमरान, आपने तो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म या डिजिटल पर काम भी किया है, तो आपका क्या व्यू है?
आई थिंक सेंसरशिप एनीवेज बहुत ही ट्रिकी है। अभी बहुत ही अर्ली है कि किस किस्म की फिल्मों को सेंसर किया जाएगा, वो सेंसरशिप लॉज क्या हैं। मैंने ठीक तरह से स्टडी नहीं किया है, तो मेरा जो आंसर होगा इट विल बी अ लिटिल इनएक्यूरेट। बट ये एक थोड़ा फिर से एक बहुत ही मर्की जोन है। देयर इज ऑलवेज डिबेट्स इन फिल्म्स आल्सो जब हमारी फिल्में सेंसर होती हैं। तो एज टाइम प्रोग्रेसेस वी विल सी वेयर दैट गोस।
Thank you so much,
John
guys.
Imran,
Thank you so much.
जॉन, इमरान, आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगा, दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम यू वर्किंग टुगेदर, आप दोनों का एक्सपीरियंस एक दूसरे के साथ कैसा रहा और एक दूसरे से क्या क्या सीखा?
So Imran has been, and I'm saying this on record, I mean, probably one of the most fantastic co-stars you can have. As a person, as an actor, as a human being, I've always been a fan of his for the films he's done. And मुझे याद है, I was driving back from Chandigarh, एक बारी दिल्ली तक आ रहा था, and I was looking for my songs, and the only songs I found was Imran Hashmi Rocks, Volume 1, Volume 2. And I realized that Imran Hashmi has got more hit songs than all the heroes put together in this industry. But leaving that aside, I think he's very intense. He's a good human being, and I think मेरे लिए तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. I'd love to work with him again because not only am I a fan of his as an actor, but even as a human being, he's absolutely fantastic. और जो काम करा है इसमें, the way he has done his role and his job in this film, he's absolutely outstanding. So I'm very happy, I'm fortunate that I worked with him.
Well, this definitely is a mutual admiration society here, क्योंकि I have the utmost respect for John ever since he started off. और हम मिलते रहते थे भट्ट साहब की ऑफिस में जब इन्होंने जिस्म किया था, और we've known each other for very long. And आप एक एक्टर की वर्क एथिक तब समझते हैं जब आप सेट पे जाते हैं। तो what really works big time for me is when an actor comes on time on set. And John is always on time and he's always involved. And without mincing my words, I can say कि ये जो कैरेक्टर है अमर्त्य राव का, I can't see any other actor play it because he's so इतनी शिद्दत के साथ and with such honesty he has played this role. And as far as a human being, people generally don't really know, वो PR VR चीज़ होती है with actors put out over there, but there's so many things that people don't know about John. जब मेरे बेटे बीमार हुए थे, the first call that came, 2 calls had come from the industry, although we were not that close at that time. I remember ICU के बाहर बैठा था and John का phone आया था, and he said, Imran, if you need anything, I'm always there, and that really moved me. I think that goes You know, और ये सब चीज़ें, you know, these things we don't talk about. Obviously, पेपरों में नहीं आता है, but this is the true character of a person, and you know, I have great admiration for him.
मैं एक लाइन कहना चाहता हूँ ज़रूर इस वक्त। पहली फिल्म में जिस्म में मैंने जॉन के साथ काम किया था, और अभी कुछ समय पहले जॉन का बर्थडे था, तो बहुत देर मैंने सोचा, बर्थडे में नॉर्मली विश करते हैं तो कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए, अपने को लगता है जो बिल्कुल आपकी फीलिंग हो। जॉन की जो सिंप्लिसिटी, जॉन की जो जेन्युइननेस, जॉन की जो क्वालिटीज़ हैं, जो मैंने जिस्म के टाइम देखी थी। पहली पिक्चर मैंने बहुत लोगों के साथ देखी की है और बहुत लोगों को बदलते हुए देखा उसके बाद, बहुत सारे स्टार्स के साथ फर्स्ट फिल्म की है। आई हैव नॉट सीन जॉन चेंज एज अ पर्सन एट ऑल। एब्सोल्युटली द सेम पर्सन, सेम प्योर। इतना प्योर तो यहाँ इस तरह की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में खतरनाक भी होता है। इतना प्योर, सिंपल, नाइसर person I've never seen. And his affection, his respect, everything has stayed the way it was on the first day of filming of Jism. God bless you, John.
Guys, we'll have to wrap it up right now, but thank you very, very much. Before I wrap it up, and I call, one sec, don't move everybody. Yeah, Samir wants to say something, I can't say no to him.
Mic on. Okay, quickly, just want to say one thing. Everyone's been saying there's a lot of responsibility on John, Imran, Bhushanji, and Sanjay Gupta. I think the responsibility is on your shoulders. They have taken the risk. They have, or we rather, have taken the risk.
True.
And be the first one to bell the cat. You are the ears and eyes of the audience. Now, rest is on to you. So it's not our responsibility. It's yours, and I hope you fulfill it.
Thank you guys for coming. Before, I'd like to invite on stage our co-producers, the men behind all of this, Mr. Vinod Bhanushali, Mr. Shiv Channa, Hanif Bhai, Hanif Chunawala, Krish Ahir. Anil is not here, Anil Tadani is not here, but my friend Neeraj Roy is here. Neeraj, please come on stage. A last photo op for everybody, and I can hand over the mic finally. No. Okay. Thank you, members of the press. Thank you very much. Yes. Yeah, of course. मेरे को मेरी नौकरी सिखाने की नहीं कभी। जाने से पहले एक बात कहूँगा, इन लोगों ने इतनी अच्छी बातें की है। Wishing everybody all the very best. शोर तो मचेगा, लेकिन डंका भी बजेगा। और अब सुनते हैं, एक बार साथ में बोलेंगे, गणपति बाप्पा, गणपति बाप्पा।